Seven boys from South Korea. No money, no powerful connection, just a dream that seemed impossible. And yet, they changed the music industry forever. This is the story of BTS, from their very first step to becoming the most influential boy band in the world. Before BTS, there was a Big Hit Entertainment, a tiny struggling company founded by Bang Si-hyuk. They couldn't compete with SM, YG or JYP, but Bang PD had one vision: to create idols who were real, idols who told their own stories. The very first member was RM, Kim Namjoon, a talented underground rapper. RM was already respected. Bang PD saw something in him: leadership, intelligence, and raw talent. RM became the foundation of BTS. Next came Min Yoongi, Suga, a rapper and a producer from Daegu, who once worked part-time delivering food after a shoulder injury and did his basketball dreams. Then Jung Ho from Gwangju, a street dancer known for his unbeatable energy. The rap line began to take shape. Then came Kim Sok Jin. Jin wasn't originally aiming to be a singer. He was a film art student spotted by Big Hit on the street for his looks. With zero training in singing or dancing, he had to work harder than anyone to catch up. Here's a rare fact. Kim Tae-hoon, we never planned to audition. He went with a friend to a Big Hit audition just to watch. A staff member asked if he wanted to try. He did and became part of most unique voices in K-pop. Then Park Jimin from Busan was the last to join just days before their debut training started. Known for his contemporary dance skill, Jimin trained almost non-stop, fearing he wouldn't make it. Jeon Jungkook joined after rejecting offers from bigger companies because he saw RM rap and decided, that's the leader I want to follow. He became the all-rounder, singing, dancing, sports, even filming their videos. BTS debuted on June 13, 2013 with No More Dreams. They were a hip-hop group in an idol industry dominated by flashy concepts. They lived in a small house with no heating, eating cheap meals, facing online hate and almost disbanding multiple times due to low sales. Fans, ARMY, began relying for them online, defending them against malicious comments. 2015, BTS won their first music show award with I Need You. It was a tear-filled moment that showed their years of hard work they finally paying off. From their run, fire, blood, sweat and tears and begin building their momentum. 2017, they became the first K-pop group to win Billboard Music Award, beating Justin Bieber for the top social artist. By 2018, they were selling out stadium worldwide. 2020, Dynamite became the first Billboard #1 hit in the US, leading to Grammy nomination and historic performances. BTS journey is the proof that dreams are not defined by where you start. From no-hit drums to the Grammys. From being told that failed to inspiring millions, BTS didn't just make music, they made history. This was the story of BTS, but still being written. So tell me, when did you join the army? Share your story below.